Click Create Blog Site, and you can enter a site title, a domain and slug, and a description. Or if we go back and you choose this dropdown here, again, we can get set up pretty quickly by creating a blog from a template. I'll select one, and this will quickly add several blog posts. And you can edit this content right away. Here we can open one, and we're right back to this blog editor. I'll click back. When you're ready to publish it, you can click on the three-dot menu, and then Settings, and then you can give it a domain. If you don't have any domains added, click the Settings gear, and here you can purchase or just connect a domain. I'll go back, and if you prefer WordPress, GoHighLevel lets you host it directly inside the platform. That means that you don't need a separate hosting provider. You can consolidate everything in one place. This might be a good fit for you if you're already familiar with using WordPress, or if you have a WordPress site. I'll link a WordPress tutorial that I've done in the description if you want to learn more and pursue that later. If you want to use HighLevel's hosting, click here to activate WordPress. Then you can decide whether to charge the sub account or if you'd like to charge the agency, and then you can subscribe here.